Which word means most nearly the opposite of harsh? A. Mild, B. Light, C. Bulky, or D. Bothersome. As we're looking for a word opposite in meaning to harsh, we need to first unpack harsh's meaning. Harsh means ungentle or rough. With this in mind, we can eliminate bulky and bothersome as they don't have much to do with that, even when looking for the opposite. Light could be considered, as perhaps some aspects of light share the nature of the opposite of harsh, but keeping in mind that the question is asking us which word is most opposite to harsh, we would have to consider mild. Mild has several definitions, but in general means gentle or not severe. We can see that even in their definitions, harsh and mild are opposites, ungentle and gentle. With this in mind, we can mark A, mild, as our final answer.